precision cutting of soundproofing panels, as well as the machining of various straight, curved, and irregular contours. V-cutting is used to create the bevels required for assembly and joining when combined with slotting. This enables more flexible structural design. By using milling cutters to precisely control the position and dimensions of the slots, a machined foundation is provided for bending, joining, and structural assembly. Adjust the cutting angle according to different design requirements to create the desired beveled effect. The cutting depth varies gradually from shallow to deep, creating a smooth transition effect for specialized acoustic panels. The board is alternately grooved on both sides, allowing it to fold in different directions to form a W shape, thereby creating a bidirectional hinge.